So how can lawyers be even smarter about the way that they use technology in 2024 and into the future? And do you have any sort of things that you see the more successful attorneys doing that listeners can sort of take and gain more of an advantage?
Yeah, I would say the one thing, if I was going to mention one thing, it's making sure that the systems that you're working with are speaking to each other, because that is going to save you a ton of time. So, for example, if you're a lawyer and you're not already familiar with something like Zapier, or there are some equivalent tools, but Zapier, if you're not already familiar with Zapier is basically a connector tool. So it connects different tools to each other, and you can add actions and triggers that cause, for example, an entry in your practice management system to trigger a set of documents to generate in your document automation system. If you're not already familiar with that, that's something I definitely start getting into and exploring. Also, wanting to make sure that the tools that you have play nicely with the other tools that you have, that is going to save you a lot of time. So one of the things that we do at Gavel is we actually oftentimes tell people to pull some of their client intake into our platform, because one of the main things that you're doing as an attorney is generating work product, and you can do that on Gavel. So if you're pulling your client intake and your document automation into one system, then that really streamlines the entire process.